Hey folks, welcome back to Vidya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm super excited to share three traditional recipes that we make for Rama Navami: Neermor, which is a spiced buttermilk drink; Panakam, a refreshing jaggery drink with ginger and cardamom; and Kosambari or Vadaparupu, which is basically a simple moong dal salad. And it's not just Rama Navami, we also make the same combo for Yugadi, Tamil New Year, Hanuman Jayanti, and even on Swati star days, which are considered really sacred to Lord Lakshmi Narsimha. So, this trio comes up quite a few times through the year in our home. The best part, these are super simple dishes. Honestly, you can whip all these three in no time. Let's get straight into it. First up, the moong dal for our kosambari. I'm taking 3 tablespoons of moong dal and soaking it in hot water for about an hour. While that's going, grab a separate bowl, toss in half a cup of grated jaggery and 2 cups of water. Give it a good stir and just let the jaggery dissolve on its own. And that's it, prep is started. Now let's make the neermor first. Now, if you already have buttermilk at home, perfect, just use 3 cups. If not, no worries. Blend 1 to 1.5 cups of yogurt with about 1.5 cups of water and you are good to go. Pour that into a mixing bowl. Next, either using a mortar and pestle or just a blender, roughly pulse together some ginger, green chili, curry leaves, and cucumber. If you have raw mango, you can also add that. It's a great addition, adds a nice tangy flavor. Add that mixture into the buttermilk, season with salt, throw in some cilantro, and mix it all together. Then quickly temper some mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and a few curry leaves, and stir that into the buttermilk. And that's it, your neermor is done. I really like the tempered mustard seeds in the buttermilk, so I always add 1 teaspoon. But if you feel like that's more, you can always reduce it to half teaspoon. The recipe is super flexible, so feel free to tweak the spices however you like. And now back to our panagam. By now the jaggery should have pretty much dissolved. If you feel like your jaggery might have some impurities, just go ahead and strain it at this point. Now add in some ginger powder, freshly crushed cardamom, and just a tiny pinch of salt. Mix it all up and that's it. Literally panagam is ready. And some people like to squeeze in a bit of lemon juice, but I usually skip that part, but that's totally up to you. And last but not least, the kosambari. Drain the water from the soaked moong dal and add it to a bowl. Now throw in some grated carrots, chopped cucumber, salt, and you can also add a little sugar to balance the flavors, but sugar is completely optional. Add in the cilantro and a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Then, just like neermor, we have to add the tempering. Temper mustard seeds, green chilies for the spicy flavor, curry leaves, and asafoetida, and mix that into the salad. And that's it. Kosambari is also ready. Now, this is a pretty basic version, but honestly, you can get really creative. You can also try adding chana dal along with moong dal. You can soak it along with moong dal, and along with other veggies, you can also add some fresh coconut and even grated raw mangoes for a little twist. And yeah, you can get really creative and mix and match according to your liking. And there you have it, the Rama Navami trio, Neermor, Panagam, and Kosambari, all ready to go. All these recipes are on my blog as well. The measurements are on the screen and I'll share the link in the description. Do give these a try and drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear how it turned out for you, and I'll see you soon in the next one.